Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your work, so save the workbook and then exit any Excel full screen modes by pressing ESC. This prevents unexpected changes. Next, make sure Excel is the active window so the steps affect your current session. Open the Windows Taskbar settings quickly. Right-click the taskbar and choose Settings. Once done, you will be positioned to change how the taskbar behaves while Excel is open. These quick steps avoid toggling Excel-specific display features first. Now change the core behavior. In Taskbar settings, switch off Automatically Hide the Taskbar so it remains visible while Excel is maximized. If you use 2 or more monitors, also enable Show Taskbar on all displays to keep it on every screen. When you need the taskbar immediately, press the Windows key or Ctrl+ESC to surface it without altering window sizes. These steps explain why the taskbar reappeared. Hiding is a system-level feature, not an Excel-only setting. Finish by testing. Maximize Excel and confirm the taskbar remains visible. If not, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager to refresh the shell. Make sure Excel's own view options aren't forcing a full-screen presentation. Use the View tab to toggle full screen or the ribbon display. If the taskbar still hides, suspect third-party utilities or multi-monitor drivers that auto-hide UI. Close those apps or update drivers. This single troubleshooting tip, Restart Explorer, resolves most lingering visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.